For more than 60 years, our ideas for healthcare are making sure that you wake up to the rising sun, run with the ticking clock, feel the breeze, and go beyond just breathing. Go beyond just living. Dare, dream, and do. Opsonin Pharma Limited has been the leading contributor to healthcare in Bangladesh for as good as 6 decades. Founded in the year 1956, it started in the small southern town of Borishal by late Abdul Khalik Khan. Subsequently, the legacy is being carried forward by his 3 sons, Chairman Captain Abdus Sabur Khan, retired, Managing Director Abdur Rauf Khan, and Deputy Managing Director Abdur Rakib Khan. The campus is over an area of 500 acres of land on the bank of the river Kirtan Khola. Our state-of-the-art facilities is spread over 2.5 million square feet at Rubatali, Borishal. It is one of the most advanced drug manufacturing arrangements in Bangladesh. Having a management support system with a vision beyond others has made Opsonin Pharma become one of the largest pharmaceutical states in South Asia. Opsonin Pharma has set up production facilities in modular form based on the types of therapeutic class to avoid cross-contamination. We manufacture cephalosporins, penicillins, steroids, antivirals, vitamins, and many more. We are the first to locally manufacture suppository formulations and third-generation antibiotic ceftriaxone in 1987 and 1994, respectively. Our facilities are equipped with the most modern and latest technology from world-renowned machine manufacturers of Germany, Italy, Belgium, Spain, etc., keeping an eye to comply with guidelines such as US FDA, MHRA, TGA, and EU for pharmaceuticals. The newly built manufacturing facility follows ISPE and ICH guidelines for equipment and process validation, verification, and qualification. Formulated by the best minds, our large portfolio of more than 350 generics of various therapeutic classes is the reason behind millions of smiles that we create. Opsonin Pharma Limited produces more than 750 products, including many life-saving drugs. Currently, the drugs produced comprise of almost all dosage forms such as solids, tablets, capsules, powder for suspension, liquids, injections, infusions, oral liquids, semi-solids, cream, ointment, suppository, and spray formulations, inhalers, MDI, DPI, etc., with a never-ending pursuit of expansion. The enormous production facility, over an area of 1.5 million square feet, excluding the technical and mezzanine floor, can effortlessly produce 10 billion tablets from 2,500 metric ton granulation, 120 million injections, and 150 million oral liquid in a single shift annually. Moving ahead, we plan to expand our horizon by introducing insulin, biotech, vaccine, anti-cancer, and hormone to our portfolio. Our dedicated facility and qualified manpower in various areas like PD, QC, QA, water treatment plant, waste management system, building management system, IoT machines, etc. cumulatively ensures our commitment to provide the best quality product. Along with an isolated 4.8-kilometer walkway to facilitate communication and avoid environment hazards. Our dedicated product development facility is well equipped with specialists and the latest technologies to develop and test various parameters of new formulations. We focus on adaptive R&D to modify and improve the therapeutic efficacy and safety of our formulations based on different types of patients, diseases and diverse environments. QC and QA. Ideal manufacturing practices are ensured at each step of production by academically fit, experienced and trained experts in our quality control and quality assurance department. The cutting-edge equipment from world-renowned manufacturers is installed to comply and challenge present-day regulatory requirement. Proficiently installed surveillance is applied to in-process measures, controls and conditions to match the quality standards. Following the BP, USP and EP, each and every ingredient is sampled, analyzed and labeled before dispensing for process and production. In-process controls are practiced in every step to ensure the quality of the final products. In the general production facility, internet-connected machines can be monitored, maintained and repaired remotely via online monitoring and remote access system. Granulation is done by using Glatt and Huttlin from Germany with a capacity of granulating 700 kilograms per batch, the maximum value in the country. With a sophisticated processor, this machine supports automated loading and also has clean-in-place technology that enables it to clean itself automatically. Sensor-based IBC bin blender of Canon is used to blend granules before compression to ensure uniform mixing. Compression is done by the GEA Module D Manstey Express compression machine imported from Belgium and UK with exchangeable turret, which can compress tablets ranging from 500,000 to 1,000,000 tablets per hour. The tablets are then coated with Perfima 500, which has a capacity of 800 kilograms. The machine also has clean-in-place technology. Adapter 100 and MG2, the two renowned capsule filling machines with 100% check weighing, are engaged in capsule filling with multi-dose product system. Opsonin Pharma Limited is the first in Bangladesh to use the latest technology for both primary and secondary packaging. The Romaco Sibla stripping machine with sophisticated robotic arm flex picker is used for primary packaging, which can separate faulty strips from good ones. Ullman, the most advanced blister packaging technology, uses hands-free operation to ensure the quality of blistering with auto-cartoning. The liquid section is equipped with latest high-speed Romaco machine from Italy that permits an automated unidirectional flow of materials from filling to packing. Cephalosporin and penicillin facility. Separate and self-contained manufacturing facility for cephalosporin and penicillin is being erected with delicate machinery to comply with all modern guidelines. Sophisticated process technology is adopted like unidirectional man-material flow, door interlock system, bag-in bag-out in HVAC system to prevent the cross-contamination to operator, product and environment. Clean room has been built following ISO 14000 and ASHRAE guidelines. Critical and non-critical utilities are dedicated for every facility, ensuring standalone operation to prevent mix-up. In our quality control building and microbiology lab, we practice in accordance to self-containing manufacturing facility philosophy. The BMS systems are used to maintain and monitor the whole HVAC and clean rooms from a single point. Daily water needs are fulfilled by an automated pump house that can extract water from 1600 feet below the surface of the earth. The water is treated and purified in the water treatment plant through chemical filtering, ion exchange and reverse osmosis to ensure its usability for medicinal production purposes. Waste management systems. We are very keen to tackle the impact of our production on the environment. To ensure this, we have effluent treatment plant where the water is treated with chemicals before release. Solid waste treatment plant is where the solid wastes are incinerated at a temperature of 950 degrees Celsius, which processes 100 kilograms solid waste by turning it to 6 gram ash, which significantly helps in reducing environmental pollution. Our warehouse facilities are designed to achieve unidirectional man-material flow, starting from the processing of raw materials to the production and packaging of finished goods, which are stored in warehouses before distribution. Having presence in major areas of the globe with an esteemed pharmaceutical offering, we are also contributing to the well-being of millions far from home in SAARC countries, ASEAN countries, Commonwealth of Independent States, CIS, Middle East and North Africa, MENA region, Africa, Oceania, Central America and more. Opsonin Pharma is the mother company of Opsonin Group, and its 6 sister companies are Opsosaline Limited, Global Capsules Limited, Global Heavy Chemicals Limited, Opsonin Bulk Drug Limited, Joki Garments Limited and Devoid Distribution Limited. Agrovet Business Unit is addressing the demand for food animal sectors like cattle, poultry and aquaculture by more than 67 brands. A workforce of more than 10,000 experienced and diligent personnel in various departments like engineering, manufacturing, sales, marketing, distribution, etc. are maintaining agile coordination to timely deliver quality drugs at a reasonable price for the people. With Opsonin at your care, there is no looking back. Just dare, dream and do.